I'm going to teach you right now the 3 sections of a winning plan of action if Amazon has deactivated one of your great listings or Amazon has deactivated your entire seller's account. So the very first section of a winning plan of action is the root cause. It's just a sentence or two where you express to Amazon why you think there's an issue with the listing or the account. Maybe a consumer made a complaint because they weren't happy with the packaging. Maybe there was a tracking number issue. Maybe there's something about how you created the listing or whoever created the listing and the verbiage. You need to dig deep, do a deep dive in Amazon language and try and find a root cause of the problem. But you want to make sure the verbiage you use doesn't admit to any wrongdoing. So that's the first section of a plan of action, the root cause. The second section of a plan of action is the immediate corrective action. What did you do as soon as you realized there was a problem? And when you realize a problem, that's usually when you got that email or that suspension. So if it's a consumer issue, what you should be doing is refunding the customer, and if it's financially feasible, letting the customer keep the product, okay? Let the customer steal this much money from you, so you have this argument to protect your business, which is more like this. Immediate corrective action is what you did immediately upon learning that there was an issue. The third section, which is the most important section for you to write specifically for your business, and that is the long-term changes or the systemic changes you're implementing in your business so that Amazon staff in India, when they read your plan of action, can rest assured that Amazon's not going to have the same problem with you when they reactivate your account or reactivate your listing. So let's say in order to solve the problem, you need to make sure you're reviewing Amazon's changes to the TOS periodically, or you're hiring somebody else to make sure the packaging is done properly, or you've created or brought on board another software package to automate a process, or your sourcing is changing. Whatever changes you're making to make your business better, you want to also put that in a short paragraph or two, identifying the changes you're going to make, and be specific. If you hire someone, put the date of hire, put the person's name, put their job description. If you're changing to a software mechanism, put the name of the software right in this third section of your plan of action. If you're changing where you source your products from, put the new source of your products in your plan of action. The persuasiveness of your plan of action is in the details. Also, if there's an invoice problem, make sure you are sending Amazon by either attaching it or putting it in your plan of action, or both, copies of your invoices with no changes, no highlights, no circles, no arrows. But give Amazon the documentation, because just like a picture is worth 1,000 words, invoices that have not been changed in any way, those are worth 1,000 words as well. That's how we win reactivation of Amazon sellers' accounts, and that's how we win reactivation of Amazon sellers' listings every day of the week.